Okay, guys, we're getting ready to go to Leadfoot City. First time with turbo setup. We did try a different hat and some other things. It just the motor was not happy. It was breaking up. We had all kinds of problems. So we ended up going back to the old hat, building it the way it was the first time. It works. I don't know why we just extended this around and blew it in the side. And we had a weird looking hat. It had like a bulge in it. I don't know if it was causing like turbulence or something, whatever. It didn't work. So we ended up clearancing the hood. I really hated to do that, but it is what it is. The hood's on, hood closes, and we're gonna go to Leadfoot City. Our friend Darwin's gonna come along. I think he's bringing his Buick out tonight. So we'll probably run him. Hopefully Brownie's there, but Brownie had a pinion gear knocked out of it, so I don't know if we're gonna see the F-250 there, because I really want to race that F-250 again, because I don't think he's gonna run us over anymore. If he does, he's gonna be working a lot harder for it. But we'll see. I did bring some inside that console. See those two little coily springs? Those are for the wastegate, so we can change them if we want. I don't know if we're going to do that. And then we have an update on Krusty. That's why there was no video, because wiring, and wiring sucks, and that's wiring out of Krusty. And then this thing was in Krusty. It's got like, all kinds of little thingamajiggies, and I don't even know what this thing is. Anybody know what this is? Tell me what this is. I don't know what it is. I think he stole it from Knight Rider. But there it is. That's where we're at. So I'll bring you guys back once we get to the track, or Darwin gets here. When Darwin gets here, I think we're going to change some tires. So I might show you guys that. He wants to borrow some drag radials so he can stick. And we're going to go from there. All right, guys. We'll see you in a little bit. There we go, guys. First one down. We didn't do so hot. We ran an 8.7. Guys, I don't know. Guys, I don't know what we got. We'll find out in a minute. How we doing? All right.
Good, man.
All right. Hell yeah. 8.6. We're getting down there. 8.6, guys. We got an 8.6 on that one. Pretty sure that was not so bad. Got him. We didn't sleep. We didn't nothing. We got him. Right, thank you, buddy. $8.685, so I guess we're gonna run an 8.6. Pass, boys. Mustang didn't have nothing for us.
car, truck, bike, whatever you want right now.
Okay guys, tis the next day from Leadfoot. Car did alright. It picked up from a 9.2 to a 8.638. I think I did one a little bit better than that. I don't have the slip, but I'm pretty sure it went a little bit quicker than that. It's on a 4-pound spring, so there's room we can do things right there, which we might. I don't want to just blow the motor up though. I said that again and again. Not bad. Overall, I don't know. I thought it would be quicker, but maybe not. I mean, it's only 4 pounds of boost. I don't know how much you get out of it. Maybe the motor's hurt already. I don't know, because it's junkyard stuff, but not a bad night overall. I think the thing did pretty well. And now that's it, guys. Like, share, subscribe. See ya.